Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving into a really critical and complex area, healthcare AI development. It sounds like a hot topic, right?
Absolutely, Jamie. Everyone's talking about AI, and healthcare is no exception. But our recent deep dive into an article about the best healthcare AI development companies in Seattle and beyond revealed something important. Claiming we do healthcare AI and actually having shipped regulated healthcare AI are two completely different things.
That's the core of it. The article really highlights how difficult it is for organizations to find the right partner. There are tons of firms out there claiming expertise, but the gap between a polished pitch and a production-grade, HIPAA-compliant system can lead to months of delays, compliance violations, and ultimately a product that never even reaches patients.
Exactly. And it's not just about getting the tech right. Healthcare AI isn't like building a standard SaaS product where you just add a compliance checkbox at the end. We're talking about a massive regulatory surface area.
You're not kidding. Think about it. HIPAA for patient data, FDA classification rules for medical devices, ISO 13485 for quality management, and interoperability standards like FHIR and HL7. A generalist development team would burn through budgets just trying to learn all that after the fact.
Precisely. The right partner needs to bring HIPAA and HITRUST compliance architecture built in from day one. They need direct experience with EHR data models from major players like Epic, Cerner, and Athena Health, plus specialized machine learning expertise for things like medical imaging analysis or natural language processing on clinical notes. And don't forget cloud infrastructure configured to healthcare security standards.
It's a huge ask. The article's list was compiled to help close that gap, evaluating companies on verifiable healthcare-specific credentials, compliance documentation, AI maturity, and real production outcomes. It's not just about who says they can do it, but who has done it.
Right. For instance, Glorium Technologies, which the article highlighted, stands out for regulated healthcare AI and medical device software. They've got ISO 13485 certification, which is incredibly rare for development firms, plus ISO 27001 and full HIPAA HITRUST compliance. They've delivered over 150 healthcare products in 14 years.
That's serious pedigree. And then you have companies like Innowise, which specializes in FDA-cleared medical device software, Class 2 and Class 3 regulatory compliance. If you're building something that absolutely has to pass FDA scrutiny, their process rigor is non-negotiable.
Or think about Achievian Solutions, working in public health AI and NLP for clinical notes. They cater to mission-driven organizations, often with messy datasets and constrained budgets, which is a very different challenge than a large enterprise.
And for those already deep in the Microsoft ecosystem, Avanade, headquartered right there in Seattle, offers expertise in Microsoft Stack healthcare AI and large-scale digital transformation. It's about finding the right fit for your existing infrastructure, too.
Exactly. The article really stresses that choosing the right partner comes down to a few practical questions. What is your regulatory exposure? HIPAA, FDA clearance, ISO 13485? What does your existing infrastructure look like? And what's the actual scope of the AI you need built?
The key takeaway is to demand specifics. Don't just take their word for it. Ask for healthcare case studies, see their compliance documentation, and get client references from your specific regulatory environment. The companies that can answer those questions clearly are the ones worth bringing into your product build.
It's about due diligence, especially when patient health and sensitive data are on the line. Getting it right from the start saves so much headache and potential disaster down the road.
Fantastic insights, Alex. This really clarifies why healthcare AI development is a league of its own. Thanks for breaking it down.
My pleasure, Jamie. And that's all the time we have for today on Top Tech Growth Hacks. We hope you gained some valuable perspective.
We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks. Stay innovative and compliant.